everybody, today on Make Your Mark, we are making handmade paper. I have raided the paper shredder and we are using that for our paper pulp. Now to give it color, we're using Artistic Vivations Metallic Concepts. Artistic Vivations Metallic Concepts were invented by my friend Michelle Nicole, who is the inventor of Unicorn Spit, and you can do anything with them. You can stain wood with them, you can turn them into paints, you can turn them into alcohol inks, and today we are dyeing paper pulp with them. Are you ready? Let's make some handmade paper. You'll need some plastic screen and plastic frames. Cut the screen to size and staple it to the frame so that it's nice and taut. Consider buying a thrift store blender for your paper making. I raid the paper shredder in my office for scrap paper, and today I'm using Artistic Vivations Metallic Concepts in Atlantis to give them color. You can use as little or as much as you want. The more you use, the darker the color will be, but if you want to write on the paper, better use just a little. Blend the paper for about 30 seconds, let it sit for a minute, and then pour it into a bin that is bigger than your screened frame. Add another blender jar full of water to the mixture. Dip your screen into the mixture and pull it up evenly so that there is a nice even layer of pulp on the screen. Let the water drip out and then transfer it to a plastic mat. Put an extra piece of screen on top of the pulp, and with a sponge or an old towel, start removing the moisture. Flip it over and remove as much water as you can. Place your paper on a Teflon baking sheet. I get mine at the dollar store and they work perfectly. Place it somewhere to dry and start another batch. This time I'm using Dionysus. The wonderful thing about Artistic Vivations is that the paper will have a beautiful shimmer when it dries. Before I start pressing out the excess water, I'm going to add some pressed leaves onto the paper and then press it into the paper. You can add glitter, confetti, grass, seeds, strips of words, whatever you want to make it interesting. Once it's dry, you can iron it to flatten it out a bit more, and you're ready to start using it. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. I'll leave a link below for that too. And if you want more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you might like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.